Like and subscribe to our channel, Fabulous Pattaya Media Group, by using the link below. This morning, the CCSA reported 3,684 new cases of the virus around the nation, with 4,531 people recovering and being released from quarantine in the same period. 26 deaths have been recorded and attributed to the virus in that 24 hours. An additional case of the new Omicron or Southern African variant has been detected amongst arrivals here in Thailand, bringing the total to date to a confirmed 9, with 5 others awaiting final test results. To date, all have been within quarantine communities and not within the general population. PayPal has now blocked most accounts registered in Thailand and offered business account holders the chance to remain with their program if they supply numerous company and tax documents. Not much help to those who use the service to either pay bills abroad or send money to family, but the good news is that there are other less expensive services available to users in this country. The planned visit today by the US Secretary of State to Thailand has been cancelled after one of the US reporters in his entourage failed COVID testing. No risk to the Secretary, we're told, however they're all homeward bound. The visit was part of a US PR operation to show commitment to the region in the light of the increasing influence of China. Smog is at a serious level in the capital. Yesterday saw so-called red or danger levels in 6 districts, and anyone driving towards the capital will spot the smog from miles away. The Pollution Department expects the density to reduce after the weekend. Air visuals showed Pattaya in the red too, at 151 at 7 o'clock this morning, which isn't surprising as the smog had spread to this side of Chonburi by Monday. Anyone with breathing issues should consult medical experts. Fake vaccine certificates are being detected in considerable numbers by health experts, and it appears that some have bought them to avoid getting the inoculations. Anyone caught with fake certification faces jail here in Thailand, and there's no defence, as you simply can't not remember whether you had a nurse prick you twice or not. 50 million people in Thailand have now had first doses, and 43.5 million have had both to date. Good news for New Year's drivers, as despite the recommendation not to overly travel for the New Year period, motorway tolls on major routes will be 0 from December the 30th through till January the 3rd, reducing traffic on minor roads and encouraging motorway use. Meanwhile, at home and in our own region, 160 new cases were reported in our province, 20 in Chonburi City, 34 in Sriracha, 46 in Banglamung and 11 in Sattahip. Pattaya bar, tourism and entertainment venue operators are calling for the legal reopening of their venues before New Year, and they sat with members of City Hall team yesterday. However, with no promises or undertakings, many are now opening despite the ban. Reports tell us that bars in many popular areas, including those adjacent to the beach, are opening quietly, which is a sign not so much of dissent but desperation, as most have been financially crippled in the past year, with no compensation. To date, it has been mainly Thai-operated bars that have been nudging the laws to one side. Now we're seeing those with expat customers joining the growing numbers. This isn't unique to Pattaya and has been seen in other major tourist areas such as Phuket, where bars in Patong have been unofficially open for months. And Faisal, the injured baby elephant shot by poachers in Chantaburi, is, we're told, recovering very well. 10 bullets were removed from the calf, which is now being cleaned and rebandaged daily, and has actually got used to the treatment without any fear of humans. It seems that she'd also been adopted by the herd at a local elephant entertainment and garden centre and been given elephant milk by staff. And with the Met Office promising a nice day, highs of 30 dropping down to 26, and the chance that the smog will disappear, certainly by midday. Local and national news today from Fabulous 103 FM and Fabulous Pattaya Media Group. And to get a notification every time we release another bulletin or programme,